Not sure how much I can get done. So that's the pattern, and yeah, piece of lot right there. So I wanted to put it to 5 feet, but you know, it's 4.5 feet. Leave half feet, yeah, 6 inches from the fence line. I'm gonna come all the way down. I only have 2 bags of cement, so that can only do that, I think. And I'm gonna kill myself to build this, make this cement mortar mixture. Me on doing this shit because Hakeem didn't show up and I can't afford to pay. So yeah, I think this one was supposed to have 1 in the middle as well. So I got 2 this one, 1 that one. But now I think I'm gonna let that one stay and put 5 or 4. Guess what? I'm gonna go on TikTok live. Looking for the light. Yeah, I'm looking for the light. But I am really hurt. Later when the sun goes down, I make some more. In the evening when the sun goes down, I finish up. Supposed to put a cross right there and I forgot. Now water gone left me. This is the second batch I'm mixing, and Hakeem still haven't called me after numerous attempts. I called him, he haven't called back. Fuck you, Hakeem. Anything I ask somebody to do, I make sure you know that I can do it too, except I can't render, so I won't be able to render that. As I said, I never practiced that. I've never done the rendering, so I really got to get professional to that, which Jermaine gave me his number. Jermaine is working over massive. Anything I ask anyone to help me with, I can also do it myself, so don't think I have 2 left on. I might not be strong enough, and I might be in pain and can't sleep the next night, but at least I got my shit done. Yeah. I am batshit tired and beat. Here we go. Yes, of course, I have no more material. And it did the 4 bags of, this is the 4 bag of cement, the 4 bag of sand, 2 bag of gravel, and 2 bags of cement. Did this bit. Yep. So when I take this up, I'm gonna bring it down here and do this portion. And then after this portion, I do that portion. Yep. So I'm gonna see how to work around this manhole thingy. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the manhole thingy. Well, I think hopefully I sleep and get enough rest to do the painting tomorrow. Depends on how I feel, because my back is out right now. My back is burning like pepper. So this is sand finish, gravel finish. Cannot let him go, and he's not liking it at all. He's not having it. He's not having it.